Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the PCGS Set Registry, Coin Collecting and Registry app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. PCGS Set Registry is a digital platform and app designed for coin collectors to track, organize, and showcase their coin collections in an online registry. Powered by the professional coin grading service, PCGS, the app allows users to create detailed sets of coins based on specific criteria, enter population and grade data, and compare their collections with others around the world. Collectors can upload images, record certification numbers, track the condition and value of individual coins, and participate in registry competitions to see how their sets rank. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the structured tools for organizing coin collections and the ability to maintain accurate records of graded coins. The registry leaderboard and benchmarking features help collectors set goals and measure their progress against others. Users also value the ease of entering certification details directly from graded slabs and the visual presentation of sets for sharing within the collecting community. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users note that the app's interface can feel dated or less intuitive compared to modern mobile apps, and advanced features may require familiarity with PCGS grading terminology. Certain data entry tasks, such as uploading images or certifying new acquisitions, can be time-consuming if collections are large. Additionally, some tools and detailed population reports may be more easily accessed through the PCGS website rather than the mobile app. In summary, the PCGS Set Registry app may be worth using if you are a coin collector who wants a centralized, organized way to catalog graded coins, track collection progress, and participate in global registry competitions. However, if you prefer a more streamlined mobile experience or are new to coin grading and registry systems, the learning curve and interface may feel challenging. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.